Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the We All Juggle Knives channel and my review of the Thrunite Catapult V6. It comes with some accessories, a lanyard, recharging cable, some O-rings, and a cover for the charging port, extra cover. It also comes with this holster that has a belt loop right there, as well as Velcro there. And it also comes with a battery, which I might as well show that now. You can unscrew the body of the light, and here is the 26650 Thrunite branded battery with a very high capacity. The light itself has very good texture for grip. It has a lanyard hole there, and obviously it can tail stand, and there you see it has a smooth reflector. And here are the stats on the light. As you can see, it has 5 brightness levels, strobe, the maximum lumens 1700. You can see the run times there, and the maximum beam distance 750 meters. Basic operation of the light: to turn the light on, press the side switch. To turn the light off, press the side switch. Once it is on, you can cycle through low, medium, and high by holding down the side switch. To get to the turbo, double tap. To get to the strobe, you double tap when it's already in turbo. And that's the strobe. You'll see it better outside. And to shortcut to the firefly mode, long press from off. Now this also has a memory function, right, for the first, well, the low, medium, and high. So it's in low right now. If I turn it off, turn it back on, it comes back in low. To recharge that battery in the light, plug the cable it comes with into any USB power source, in this case a power bank, and then the other end of the cable into the charging port. When it is recharging, there will be a red indicator light. That's actually red. It's just hard to see because of my studio lights, but there. And that will turn blue when it is fully charged. Alright, some useful comparisons. Now they're calling this a mini thrower, and I'm surprised at how compact they were able to make this. I really like single battery throwers. For example, this Manker U21 is a pretty good beast of a thrower, right, with one 26650. But look how much smaller they've been able to make the Catapult, right? So if you want a thrower but you really want it to be compact, they've done an excellent job in making it so. On the other hand, if compactness is not an issue, check out that Thrunite TN42. That is a beast of a thrower, right? And I've done 2 videos at least with that, so I'll include links to that. But you know, this is your portable thrower, and maybe that you have either at the homestead or when you're in a vehicle. Now here is the last Thrunite that I've reviewed, the TC20, a compact flutter, and these two make a great duo. Right? Even more compact. Of course, this is more of like a really bright floodlight with a very high capacity battery. The good thing is these use the same battery, and they both come with one, so if you got both of these, each one is the backup for the other. I mean, the batteries are, right? So you got your flutter and your thrower. And I will include the link to the review of this, and I will include Amazon links to all the stuff I show, so you can browse the stats on all these and, you know, do your shopping. Okay, YouTube, possum cam. We got possum. Where'd it go? There it is. Hold on. Alright YouTube, well that possum might be back later, but let's get to the testing board. Okay, this is the Catapult on the testing board. This is the lowest. Let's cycle through. And that is the turbo. Alright, strobe warning. Let's do the strobe. Pretty disorienting. And here we are in the second story window with this Thrunite. Look at that focus. That's the wood pile. Let's shine it around. The chairs. The testing board. Vegetation. That's where the possum disappeared too. Yeah, so this is a pretty epic thrower so far. What's that over there? Might be some animals. There's a deer like way over there. That's a deer. Hey, what's up YouTube? We are literally on the road with this Thrunite flashlight. Here is a top view of the beam shot for this Thrunite. Alright YouTube, I found a critter. Let's see if we can light it up. There's a lot of strange sounds tonight. What is that? Can you see it? What is it?
Hello, I'm the new channel mascot.
Okay, I put that there. I admit it. What the hell is it? I don't know. I found this thing by the side of the road. Let's go see the new channel mascot. The crap you find at the side of the road when you're in the middle of nowhere at 3 a.m. or thereabouts. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to turn this light down or it's just gonna blind you. That's not much better, whatever. Wait, hold on. We can do Firefly. Long press. What the heck is this thing? You know, I found this it was like by a paper bag that looked like it was a bag from like a fast food restaurant. There's like a swamp nearby, that's why there's this weird, the mating call of whatever. Now I found this next to a bag in the side of the road, and I think it might have been like some sort of Happy Meal prize or something. I don't know, that's my theory. Hold on, let's get a little more light. This is the new channel mascot. Say hello. Okay YouTube, we are at the sports field with this Thrunite Catapult, and there is the goal, but I am zoomed in. But yeah, it can easily cross the field. It's a bit hazy, but... And look how far back I am. Way back. Alright, so this easily crosses the soccer field. And here we are at Frog Creek with the catapult. Lighting up the bridge, if you can call that a bridge. The water. That's pretty bright. Look how bright that is. I'm up on the bank of the creek. The opposite bank, more treetops. Signaling to the aliens. Alright, now not a lot of flood with this light because that's not what it does, but it's the best at what it does, just like Wolverine. Alright, catapult at Frog Creek. And we are back. So final thoughts on this light. I definitely like this kind of light. But when I first got into flashlights, I liked the little keychain lights because, you know, they fit with some of my little mini multi-tools and Swiss Army knives. And then I got into super bright lights, right? Like the flooders, you know, 32,000 lumen flood. And then, like many people, I eventually got into the throwers, right? So right now, I love throwers. I'm on a thrower kick, and this fits right in. I definitely like what they've done with this. They've kept it pretty simple. The interface is standardized across many Thrunites. So if you have a Thrunite already, you pretty much know how to work this one. The range is epic, and as I've said before, you know, the point of 750 meters max beam distance that doesn't mean you're going to look at like a person 750 meters away. Because you can't, a person's eyes can't see that far unless you're looking at something huge. The point of this is that at like 100 or 200 meters, it's going to kick all ass. Now, the max lumens, 1,700, you know, some people might not understand. They see lights that have, you know, 5,000 lumens, 10,000 lumens. They might not understand, you know, why would you ever buy something that wasn't just the most lumens? Well, because of the emitter and the reflector, the actual light that you get on a concentrated target at 100 or 200 meters, this is going to put more light on target at useful ranges if it's a man-sized target. You could buy a 10,000 lumen floodlight, but at 200 meters, this will be more useful. You'll be getting more light on your target. So that's why throwers exist, and you know, this is the type of thing, they've actually made it compact enough that it could fit in many pouches, many a pouch, like a, let's say a bicycle pouch or something like that. It's also very good that it comes with that battery because, and if you had to buy a good 26650 separately, on Amazon that would run you about $20, right? So with that being included, factor that in to the cost of this, it's a good deal. Last time I checked, the price on this on Amazon was about $75, right? So if you minus the battery, you're getting the light for about $55, right? So I will include that link. And you know, the only thing's wrong with it, it's just if you want a floodlight, this ain't it. You know, you have to be at that stage, that level, have that need for a thrower. If that's what you need and you want it to work on one high capacity battery, well then I definitely recommend this. Alright YouTube, well I hope you enjoyed seeing this light. This has been We All Juggle Knives and Flashlights. I'm out.